Your financial life is not defined by how much you earn. It's defined by how you think about money. In this powerful 8-minute financial mindset motivation, you'll discover why changing your mindset is the first real step toward financial freedom. This message is for anyone who wants more control, clarity, and confidence about money. If you're tired of struggling financially and ready to grow mentally first, this video will speak directly to you. In this motivational talk, we break down the truth about money that most people never learn, why most people stay broke even when they earn more, the difference between a poor mindset and a wealthy mindset, how your daily habits silently shape your financial future, why discipline matters more than motivation, how to stop reacting to money and start directing it, the power of long-term thinking and delayed gratification. This is not about quick money or shortcuts. It's about building the mindset that attracts opportunities, consistency, and growth. A strong financial mindset helps you make better decisions, control spending, stay patient during hard times, build wealth step by step. At some point, everyone must decide, stay comfortable with excuses or become uncomfortable and grow. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Protect it, train it, and use it wisely. If this message added value to your life, like the video, comment what stood out to you, subscribe for more motivation, mindset, and financial growth. Change your mindset, change your finances, change your life.